So you're thinking of moving to Lisbon. Today, I'm going to show you around Principe Real. I'll show you the different price points, the different lifestyle aspects of the neighborhood, so you can see what it might be like to live here and see if it's a good fit for you and your budget. Stick around till the end because I'm going to show you some things that are a little bit off the beaten path. If this is your first time on our channel living in Lisbon, go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to know more about moving to and living in Lisbon. If you'd like to be the first to know about updates to the market, go ahead and tap the bell. Today, I'm going to show you around Principe Real. We're going to start in the Jardin do Principe Real, which is a square block here at the top of this hill, and it is full of life. It's the center, really, of life in Principe Real. On the weekends, you'll find organic markets. And then throughout the week, you'll find people relaxing, lying in the grass, lying on park benches, hanging out with their kids. There is a playground. I'll show you a cafe. There's a kiosk in addition to the cafe, live music. It's a great place. It's very well located too. So let's go. When it comes to real estate in Principe Real, you can actually find studios and one-bedroom apartments for as little as $170,000. I just checked today. It's unusual. There are quite a few in the low 200s. You know, if you go up to a renovated 2 to 3 bedroom, nicely done, but not a palace, you're looking at 800 to $1 million. But there are some palace-like properties for sale right now in Principe Real that are $5 million. So as you can see, it's the whole range of finances here. So if you feel you see the Castelo de São Jorge, You can see Baisha down there. If you look at the flat area, just down below, you can just get a glimpse of that. You can see some of the other viewpoints too. They tend to have little tree canopies. You're right at the limit of Principe Real right now. This is another great place to just hang out.
So there's plenty to keep you occupied here at the viewpoint. There's a restaurant-style kiosk right over near, and then there are vendors for Portuguese wines.
So what are the pros and cons of Principe Real? The pros would be it's central, it's very walkable, as long as you stay in the neighborhood, so you're not going up and down these crazy hills. It's full of lifestyle, packed with design. It's special. The thing is, the cons. There's almost no parking. The prices can be very high. And properties go quickly, so you have to make a decision very quickly.
So we just left the Mirador, which is at the limit between Principe Real and Paradalto. And now we're back at Jordan to Principe Real, which is not a viewpoint, but it's a community hub. Look at these apartments. You have the retail and restaurants down below, and then apartments up above. A lot of these would definitely not have elevators. That's annoying. Let's looking back towards the Jordan. And then let's walk through it again. Palisade that I mentioned earlier for 5 million is actually lowered to 4.8 million now. Is very near this park. You won't see why people just hang out here. Lots of dogs. Great place to read a book. Whenever there's a festival, it will be here. And now, we're right next to a more permanent restaurant. They always have live music there. It's right on the corner. The scooters and other kiosks. That cute little tree. These apartments would be climbing is the right across from the Blizzard and the Principe line.
What a great place to pass the time, have a drink, a wine, a coffee, just watch the world go by. And check out these trees. The leaves look like magnolia trees, but I do not know what kind of trees they are, but they are magnificent. They must be hundreds of years old. They're so enormous. And this adds to how special this place is. We really are at the top of the hill here. You'll see the Jordan de Principe Real behind me. And then now if we look over this way, you can see down below, that would be in the direction of the Avenida de la Libertad. So you can easily walk there and take advantage of the parades and all the kiosk and high-end retail down there. If this does seem like where you might see yourself living, go ahead and reach out. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, contact us. You can set up a Zoom call by following the link on the QR code. You can send us an email, you can call us, WhatsApp, text us. We'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to Lisbon, Portugal, and to Principe Real.